Hey guys, Barrington again. I just want to show you about the new WPS ebook generator. It allows you to create a book or ebook in about 3.5 minutes. Just so you know, I technically already processed one, so the speed of the process, I just wanted you to be able to see what it could do. It's you can create a course creator. See out here, and you see how it changed. Over here, see the things that can include planners, social media copy, back cover. You can upload images. You can also choose the writing tone. You can change the chapter. See how you can change the how many chapters you want. You can change the purpose of the book. It can be hybrid, educate, inspire, sell, tutorial, or guide, case study. You can obviously change your target audience and all this. I'm just giving you ideal. It can also be a ebook lead magnet. You have covers, chapters, structure. Again, I've already created one. You just click right here. This book, this 7-chapter book here, took about 2.5 minutes to create. So, structure. See, I didn't even hear. As you see over here, I didn't put a name in, so it just says your name. Just want to say, but you could quickly just type in your name if you forget something. So you have the structure. You can come right here and say update the book. You can add other things in. If you don't like it, you can edit it, add it, place it, remove things. That's entirely up to you. If you wanted to update it, you just click update. But right here, you see that it created a table of contents. Okay. Created some covers. Of course, you can generate a new variation. Describe your own cover art here, and it'll create a new one. You can, now you see the chapters, and I just want to let you see some of the chapters. Of course, you can have a download. You just download it. See what you're looking at. Preview the download. You can download as a Word or Google Doc or PDF. And that's it. And that's a quick way to just show you the power of this new little dock here. Thanks for your time.